Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are. We got all the clutch and everything back on. We just got to do up these starter motor bolts. We got the jack shaft jobber in. Here's the lock nut. We got a new screw, okay, and it's got a new tab washer on, which will bend into there. And of course, this is this new, I'll say new, this automatic tensioner thing. Okay, it's like bloody strong, but as you can see, you know, quite a strong old tensioner. Keeps the thing tensioned up as opposed to the manual. Technically a good idea. Personally, I prefer the manual. But Kev's bike, beautiful SNS 124. We just stuck in it. But if you're interested in having any work done, new dry belt as well. As you can see, brand new, super strong belt. Quite a job. You got to take all the bloody swinging arm out pretty well. Well, you do. Take the whole swinging arm out to fit the belt on these things. Bloody ridiculous design, really. As you can see, here's your belt down here and your pulley, and really crazy design in this day and age. But I think even the Milwaukee 8s are just the same. But this is not a bad upgrade technically if you're lazy. I personally prefer to adjust it myself manually. But if you want any really hard work doing on your bike, just give us a bell. 01773835666, customcruisers.com. Big upgrades like this, or as you can see in mine, this is a Baker 6. You want a 6-speed box. Engine being rebuilt at the moment. You know, big bore. I've dropped the compression for a turbo. So, you know, watch this space if you're interested in something really crazy. But billet 6 up front, 13-inch discs, ready to stop as well as go, which is one of the problems. Once you tune your bike up, you have got to remember, you do need to stop. Kev's bike, got some nice Harley chrome calipers, P&M discs, P&M wheels, and as you can see, cracking looking machine. If you're interested in any bits, give us a bell, 01773835666. Baggers I do specialise in. As you can see, this one here, completely reforked it, stuck all Racetech emulators in it, rewiring all the stereo to run a much later system than the old stock system. But electronics in the army, so electronics no problem at all. You know, full HNC in the bloody sport. Okay, interested, give us a call, 01773835666, alternatively customcruisers.com. Thank you.